Here's a custom truck to take a look at, just in at Unique, especially in classics. 1969 Chevrolet C10. Regular cab short box. Check that riding on 20s. Custom wheels done by Liquid Metal Motorsports. If you take a look behind there, you're going to see rotors. This does have four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Underneath the hood, powered by a 454, bored out to a 466. That's paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the front end of this. I'm going to get into this paint here in just a little bit. As you can see, Chevy custom grille up front. More modern high-intensity headlights. Speaking of the paint, like I said, check it out. Airbrushed flames up the center of the hood, also accented throughout this vehicle. It's kind of a red to wine two-tone. Nice silver accent going down the center, breaking those two up. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can kind of look at what I'm talking about and go through some of the options on this truck, you'll be able to check out still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of this car or truck online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. All right, as far as the paint, shows very nice. You can see it's got a great shine to it. Nice reflection coming off there. Well taken care of. If it's got a little rock chip here or there, you can tell the previous owner took some care, maybe a little touch up here and there, but overall shows very well. I got the cowl hood. Make room for that 454 that's bored to a 466 underneath it. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Serpentine belt system, nice setup underneath there, and it looks good. It's polished, it's shiny. We're going to take a look underneath the hood here just shortly. When we start it up, let's hear it run. All right, let's take a look. Passenger side, a few more of those custom airbrushed flames. Again, 20-inch custom wheels by Liquid Metal Motorsports. Look at the paint up and down the side of this truck. Not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Custom interior, also bucket seats, armrests in there. This would be one comfortable ride going down the road. And we'll get into more of that when we get around to the driver's side. Now, this bed, also very custom. I have the tonneau cover on it right now. We're going to save that for the end. Once I start this up, let's check everything else out. We're going to finish up. I'm going to show you the bed on this truck. I'll give you a little hint though. It is hickory and walnut, and it looks nice, and there's also a custom fuel cell back there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust out the rear. Some more of the airbrushed flames, and again, you can see the reflection in that paint. Nice deep shine to it. Custom rear window with the Chevy logo. Tonneau cover, that is there for a reason. That is actually the spot for the fuel fill, and that'll make sense to you at the end of this video when I take that tonneau cover back and show you what's underneath there. Again, still pictures. If you want to cheat, go look at the still pictures. Move ahead. uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you can see the still pictures. You're going to see the bed. You're going to see the underside. You're going to see the interior engine bay. Feel free to call to 507-386-1726. Let's take a look up and down driver's side. Again, the matching airbrushed flames. Once again, you can see nice looking show truck, not full of nicks, dings, scratches. This one will turn some heads at your local shows. The way it looks and the way it sounds. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Dakota digital dash, basically installed to what would be a custom, or I shouldn't say custom, but a standard stock looking dash, but with the custom gauges from Dakota Digital. Carrying out the two-tone theme throughout the interior with the red wine color. There are also still pictures underneath the floor mats. I have the pictures of them in and out, so you can see the carpeting. Carpeting is in nice shape. Like I said, gray bucket seats. Also fold down armrests on both sides, so when you're in there, you want an armrest either side. It has them. Center console. Cab painted nicely inside. Sun visors. All right. Let's go ahead and start this up, and we're going to go through some of the things on the engine. All right. First of all, radio does work. AC controls. AC blows cold. This also has rear airbags, so you can adjust the ride of it. You can hear the snort that engine has. Down off the higher idle, nice low rumble to it now. Sounds good. I'm going to turn this AC off and freeze you out here. Odometer showing 2,913 miles. Engine and trans have recently been gone through. You can see how nice that idles. Under 1,000 RPMs. Nice little rumble to it. Check out down below here. Here's your fuel gauge percentage, volts, of course oil pressure, and your coolant temperature. So all the gauges are working. Listen to that. One other thing, wipers are fine. I'll slip around to the back so you can hear this. Listen to that rumble. Good sounding engine. All right, let me get up to the front here. We're going to pause this a second. I want to show you this engine bay, and then we'll check out that bed too. So hold on a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here. Let's see what we have going on under here. Aluminum radiator, dual electric fans. Like I said, some polished and chrome all the way around in this one. Little flat black highlights. So power steering, power brakes, headers. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Also has an Edelbrock Performance 2.0 intake. There's that serpentine belt system I mentioned earlier. And lots of polished aluminum and chrome. Come around here, MSD 6AL. Electronic ignition with MSD plug wires. All MSD ignition components. Listen how smooth that runs. Look how smooth that runs. Little custom touches underneath the hood. Sorry about the glare when I put it up towards the lights there. Wow. Going into your shows and leave the hood open on this one, no doubt about that. Alright, one last thing. I'm going to shut the hood, turn this off. I'm going to roll the tonneau cover up. I want you to be able to check out the bed. Got the tonneau cover rolled up. Alright, here we go. Let's check this out. And again, hickory and walnut. Wow, look at how that's finished off. And Chevy bow tie fuel cell custom made. Look at that. So that's why in the tonneau cover there was a little Velcro flap, so you'd be able to fill it up without having to roll that tonneau cover up. Look at the reflection coming off that stainless of the hickory and walnut. Very cool custom truck. You're not going to pass yourself going down the road to drive one of these, folks. 1969 Chevy C10. Regular cab short box at 454 underneath the hood. Bored to a 466. Paired up with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. All the equipment, serpentine belt system, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.